Nice. So quiet and really good pressure. Super happy with that choice. Let that go. Right, well, we're up to the next stage of the water tank now, which is installing a pressure pump. So we've gone with a Davey HS60-08T. It's a good size pump and should be able to, give us enough pressure for what we want to do. So eventually service the inside of the shed and outside as well. If we want to run some sprinklers or something. So I've gone and spent a bit of money at the local pump place and got a whole heap of fittings and whatnot to try and rig this bad boy up, which will include a footing at some point. So we'll be constructing a footing outside and mounting this guy in. So it's all exciting being able to use the rainwater, and yet again something else I've never really dabbled in, but I've got half a clue, so I'm armed and dangerous. Give this a little trial run. Certainly not installed, I've just jerry rigged it all up here. But yeah, just keen to see how that pump performs. So we'll connect them all up and see what happens. I can obviously that's not a very good cell, but for this purpose of the test, it must be priming because water's coming out of there theoretically. Power. I think she'll run. Okay, it's quiet. It's going to stop. Runs beautiful, so quiet. My pump size is good. Tank just needs some thread, but yeah. Instantaneous. Off she goes.
today we're installing our first outside tap off the tank. Decided to go a bit rustic with use a branch that we'd saved, fairly straight one. It's got a little bit of character to it, but we're going to plumb it in with some 25mm blue line and hopefully mount a hose reel on there. And yeah, so this is what we're going to use. It's I'm going to use a ball valve and just on some PVC pipe, 25mm down on the 25mm poly connectors down the bottom, the T up there, ball valve so it's an easy on and off, and that just goes straight up into the hose connection. In this case I'm going to use a Hoselink. So that's the riser, and yeah, we just set our post and waiting for that to cure, which won't be too long, and we'll get to plumbing. All our fittings here ready to do the job. We're just going to run it along the back of the shed and then into the ground once we get closer to the corner. So we'll probably put it into the shed at some point, but for now we'll just run along the back. Yep. Do a couple of wraps to get it started. Now I'll just overlap it about 10 or 15 times all the way down. Always use thread tape to stop the leaks. Need to get some saddles, secure our riser. Like $1,000,000. Handy. We're missing something. Oh. I don't know if that's right. I don't know, Hoselink. Oh, there we go. That's on. Oh, more. That's so good. Okay. All finished. Hoselink reel Hi-Flow 25mm there. Goes down onto our poly riser with our ball valve tap and into our blue line pipe, which is on our pump. We'll have to rig something up to protect our pump a little bit, give it some shelter and get it wired in. So yeah, look, pretty snazzy. Good use of some of the timber around the place, and blends in nicely with the surrounds, and a nice sturdy, easy to operate tap. So good job there, I think.